Dear students, welcome to chapter 3, Ratio and Proportion. From chapter 3, we will discuss two different types of questions. The first one is the sides of a triangle are in the ratio 3 is to 4 is to 5 and the perimeter is 105 centimeter. Then find the length of each side. Look on the question once more. As we know, there are three sides for a triangle. The sides of the triangle are in the ratio 3 is to 4 is to 5. And the perimeter of the triangle, that means, perimeter means, as we know, the sum of sides of the triangle, that is equal 105 centimeter. Then we have to find the length of each sides of the triangle. So there are two different ways to solve this question, but we are taking the easiest way. First of all, we will directly take the sum of the ratios of the sides of the triangle. The ratio of the sides of the triangles are 3 is to 4 is to 5. The sum of the ratios equal 3 plus 4 plus 5. That is equal 12. That means the sum of ratios of the sides equal 12. So the sides are the first side. The ratio of the first side is 3. The ratio of the second side is 4. And the ratio of the third side is 5. The simple idea behind this solution is that if we divide the total perimeter, because perimeter equal sum of sides, if we divide the total perimeter into 12 equal parts, 3 parts for first side. If we divide the total perimeter into 12 equal parts, 4 parts will be the second side and 5 parts will be the third side. So the first side will be equal 3 by 12, that is the sum of ratios, into the perimeter, that is 105. So we will get the first side. In the same way, the second side will be, the ratio of the second side is 4. 4 by 12 into 105. So we will get the second side. So in the same way, we can find the third side because the ratio of the third side is 5. So 5 by 12 into 105. So we will get the third side. So we understand that the sides are 26.25, 35 and 43.75 centimeters. So the first side, that is equal 26.25 centimeter, second side is 35 centimeter, and the third side is 43.75 centimeter. Now we will discuss another type of question from the same chapter. A sum of money is divided between three men, A, B, and C, in the ratio 7 is to 5 is to 1. If B has 240 Oman Riyal more than C, then how much does A receive? Look on the question once more. A sum of money, that means a sum of money is given to A, B, and C in the ratio 7 is to 5 is to 1. A certain amount of money is there which is given to three people A, B, and C in the ratio 7 is to 5 is to 1. Then we can say that the amount received by A, that is 7x, the amount received by B, that is 5x, and the amount received by C, that will be 1x, that is equal x. But it is given that B received, or B has 240 Oman Riyal more than C. We know that the sum of money or the amount of money with B equal 5x and the amount of money with C equal x. So the difference, or B has 240 Oman Riyal more than C. That means the amount with B minus the amount with C, that is 5x, the amount with B 5x minus the amount with C, that is equal x. So this difference will be equal 240 Oman Riyal. So 5x minus x, that is equal 4x. 4x equal 240. So x equal 60. We know that the amount received by A, that is equal 7x. So 7 into x equal 60 Oman Riyal. So 7 into 60, that is equal 420 Oman Riyal will be the amount received by A.